Icala likaMathiphandile Sotheni lihlehlisiwe namhlanje ukunika inkantolo isikhathi sokuthi lidluliselwe enkantolo yamacala abucayi khona eBrakpan. USotheni ubhekene namacala okubalwa kuwo elokucija itulo lokubulala, elokuzama ukubulala kanye nokuphatha isibhamu ngokungekho emthethweni.
Ms. Sotheni, the matter is referred to Brakpan Regional Court for bail application. The first date will be the 18th of May, 2026. You will remain in custody.
USotheni wayeyilungu lophiko lwamaphoyisa olukhethekile olulwa nobugebengu waboshwa ngoNdasa. Umbuso uthi kungenzeka ethweswa amanye futhi amacala.
As the state, we do have prima facie evidence against the accused, and we believe that the accused has a case to answer to, hence his appearing before the courts. I can't divulge anything at this stage. We'll have to come and hear more when his bail is being heard on the 18th.
Isicelo sebheyili sizolalelwa izinsuku ezintathu.